We checked the arterial line. Jill, sucks around the aortic valve.
Pump flow is fine.
All right. Let's get this sclerotic calcified mess out and put our freshly picked baby in. Actually, hang on. I mean, should I save this guy or not?
Dr. Knight?
Seriously, he's a fat, sexist shock jock who adds nothing to the world. So just saying.
Hugh, mate, flow is falling.
Show of hands. We forget to connect it up properly and no one's the wiser.
Hugh, you need to...
No? No?
Hugh?
No. All right, then I need to hear Debbie. Gonna need you guys in on this as well. Once I had love and that was a gas. Soon turned down, had a heart of glass. Can't hear singing. Okay, fatty, let's get you back on the air.
Remember, tomorrow.
How could I forget? Sheriff means to hang me.
You need to be presentable.
Absolutely. Johnny, let's get around for the bar.
You know, Hugh, you used to be George Clooney, but now you're more like Charlie Sheen.
Hope the back feels better. Drinks are on me.
Come in.
I've done nothing wrong. This is bureaucratic madness. Did the case in question look pretty? Maybe not. Did I do everything I could to save her? Yes, I did, and that's the job.
Several of your team testify that you've become erratic and your behaviour risky.
What?
Have you used drugs or alcohol recently, Doctor?
Oh, I had a glass of red with my cornflakes. It's a medical board operating on Sharia law now. I am a great surgeon. Just asked 1,017 people walking around out there because of me. My life has been about helping people, and I can't imagine you'd want to stop that happening because of some incident.
Dr. Knight, you'll be placed on the impaired registrants list. You're banned from surgical practice.
No way.
As head of regional health, we'd like you to serve your year of atonement as a general practitioner in the town of Whyhope. Under supervision, of course.
That's not funny. Is this because I crashed your Porsche into a tree, Jim? It was uni. People thought you were a wanker. I was helping you.
They're seriously understaffed for doctors in the regions. We thought you'd be a good fit.
I can't go to Whyhope. I can't go to Whyhope.
Down in sunny Whyhope in around 90 minutes.
90 minutes seems like a long time. I'm gonna need to borrow your sick bag. God help me.
This is a great day for us. A great day. Ken Liu, head of operations. Sorry I'm late. I lost my keys in my toilet. And yes, I'm young, but like you, talent cannot be denied. Dr. Knight, right? The heart guy. can only say what a joy it will be to have someone of your expertise. So generous of you to use your sabbatical to help our local community.
Yeah.
That you want to give back. Admirable in these days of selfishness. As a leader, I understand that.
A leader? Yeah, I guess it is kind of big of me.
Can I Instagram you for your arrival?
No.
Oh, that's okay. I only have 5 followers, mostly family, but growing. Ah, here we are. Hospital area through here, as well as emergency unit and palliative care. Plane we charter for emergencies.
Planes.
It's part of what we do.
I don't do planes. I'm sure someone would have mentioned that.
It's rostered onto the service.
Not me. I think it'd be more used at home base as an anchor in the storm. You can make that happen, can't you, Ken? You have the power.
I'll see what I can do. All right, Dr. Cartwright is just through here.
So aren't you a bad boy?
More an unlucky victim of circumstance that saved someone's life.
Right. So not a party boy whose surgical skills were unravelling.
No.
So, Hugh, I'm your supervisor. You are on the impaired registrant list. No one, of course, knows that except for me and the board. You answer to me. I report on you monthly. At the end of a year, I'll send a report to tell the board if I think you can have your life back.
You have really lovely eyes.
All the better to see through your bullshit.
Right.
I do women.
So do I. We have a lot in common.
I need a good doctor.
Well, I'm a great doctor.
You're a surgeon. A great GP is what I need.
I think I can manage that.
It's trickier than you think.
You should know one thing. I'm always the best at what I do. I've worked harder than anyone to get where I am.
Where you are is sitting in front of me about to piss into a jar for a drug test.
This is unbelievable. I can't do this.
You can always go to TAFE, be an electrician. You have no choice if you want to stay a doctor.
Where's the bathroom?
You'll do it in front of me. I don't trust you yet. Weekly.
This is just humiliating.
Really? I'm finding it kind of funny. Let's go, soldier.
Home sweet home.
Guantanamo rang. They want their cell back.
I have to get ready for Kimberly. She's a pharmaceutical rep. You'll meet her. Very lovely woman.
Ken, did you not think to introduce me? Haven't we talked about this? Manners, courtesy, human contact.
I'm in charge. You can't...
Quiet, Instagram. Betty Bell, receptionist, traffic cop, artist, tarot reader at the markets on Saturdays. For you.
Thank you, Hugh Knight.
The patients are arriving. Shall we begin the healing?
Sorry.
First, my right ear started aching.
Ringing or aching?
Both. My tongue's really dry and I've got blurred vision and like nausea. So what is it?
Let me just finish your history here and we will get to that. Simple. You have a middle ear infection. It's affecting your balance, making you nauseous. The eye blurring is a type of dizzy spell.
Great. Thanks, Doc.
Just trying to get back. Flu. Oh, shingles. Endocrinosis.
That's everyone, Doctor. After school, though, onslaught. Enough nose runs to water slide on. So cute.
Thanks, Betty.
Managing?
All good.
Dr. Google?
You're monitoring my internet. That is an outrageous invasion of privacy.
I was guessing.
Oh.
We barely have internet, let alone the ability to monitor the internet. Should I sit in with you for your patient's sake?
I've been a specialist for 10 years. I've forgotten stuff.
Let's do ward rounds. So we have the GP clinic, we operate an emergency unit and have a 10-bed inpatient hospital, 2 beds for palliative care.
Huh. Wow, you do all that?
Impressive, isn't it? Stretched to breaking point, understaffed, under-resourced, we do our best. This is Aoife, Dr. Knight. Take him on rounds, if you would.
Hugh.
The heart guy. Ken's in a tiz about you. So how are you today, Hugh?
Worst day of my life.
Is it? Well, come and look at this and tell me if you think this man's having a worse one. Presented with respiratory difficulties, we suspected lung infection, maybe pneumonia. X-rays have just come back.
Looks like a tumour.
It does. What do you think?
Well, worst, a whole lot of lung cancer. Best he swallowed a cricket ball. We need an MRI.
Oh, we don't have those.
Are you kidding me?
No. When I kid, I do a dimpled smile.
Is that him? Joey.
Yeah.
Joey.
Easy, easy. Jesus. What are you doing here?
For my sins.
Which were many, no doubt.
Oh, who doesn't love a good sin?
Jesus, good to see you. I tried texting you.
Left my phone at home. Dumb, huh? I got pneumonia. That right, nurse?
Well, doctor?
I've seen that look before. When he caught my mum drunk in bed with that bloke and didn't want to tell me.
You have a mass on your chest. But here at Hillbilly Hospital, we don't know for sure what that is. So you need to go to Sydney and see a guy called Professor Trask. He'll give you the once-over and we will treat whatever it is, OK?
Right. A mass. Not going to die, am I?
You're not leaving me here in Whyhope by myself, mate, so no, I won't allow it. Besides, I just got here. Who else am I going to hang out with?
You're staying.
You and me, back together.
Romance, is it?
That's exactly what it is, Island. Exactly. Hey, I'll see you later on. All right. Fuck.
You all right?
We need to get her to Sydney. Organise it.
Hugh?
Fat Nathan.
Big Nathan. People call me Big Nathan now because I got the mines and the money.
That's great. What's going on here?
Hugh!
Mum!
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, you're a cheeky bugger making me think you were coming to our anniversary.
Anniversary, of course. Happy anniversary.
I knew you'd come, a mother knows. I could feel it in my...
Please don't say ovaries.
Waters. Ovaries is disgusting. Everyone, Hugh's here. Come over and meet our new neighbours.
Ah! You bastard. You know I've been calling you for a month.
Oh, is that what Miss Call Matt means? Mystery solved.
Well, no one knew if you were coming.
As if I missed my parents' something anniversary.
40th, really?
Imagine being with someone for 40 years.
Yeah, well, you prefer 40 minutes, of course.
14 is also very good.
It's good you're back. How long are you here? How's Dad? Yeah, he's all right. He'll be very excited to see you. Charlie, you, look lovely.
You look like shit. Hi.
Beer. Our own, of course.
No, thanks.
Did he just say no to beer?
Who's that?
Your brother.
Oh, the foster kid.
Your brother. He's been that since he was 6. Stop calling him that.
So how long are you back for? A day or do we get 2?
Did he just kill something?
Righto. I don't know what to say. But thanks for coming. And thanks for everything, Meryl.
Moving. Very touching.
I know from my work on the council how important it is to hold on to institutions. In times of change, with the new mines and what our town has been through, it's more important than ever.
She does know it's her anniversary, not an election.
This institution.
Everything's an opportunity for Meryl.
This marriage, with love, commitment, and hard bloody work. Just like I do for this town every day.
I am voting for that marriage. Find a baby she can kiss immediately.
Oh, and I'd also like to say how happy I am that our golden boy Hugh is back. He's one of the top heart surgeons in the country. Also, he was Cleo's Bachelor of the Year in 2012. Thank you, my darling. You gladden my heart.
Thank you. So much.
Thank you. The photographer from the Courier's here.
Oh, I'm stunned.
Charlie, don't be snide. Makes you look ugly.
Mum.
Better I tell her than she walks around with an ugly face, Matt.
Thank you for caring, Meryl.
It's my pleasure, sweetheart. Now, Hugh, come and get your photo taken. Returned hero.
Make sure they get his halo in.
Jim, darling, photo. Just here. Here. Okay?
Yep.
We ready?
3, 2.
I've got to check the cake.
So, how are you, Dad?
Yeah, right.
Congratulations. Yeah, good catch up. Thanks.
I woke up bright and early this morning. My little girl was not inside. I've been looking everywhere. Morning, noon, and daylight call. She's so fine. She's so fine. Well, she's so fine. Oh, she's so fine. You know, I wish she was mine. I've got something to tell her.
You must be exhausted. How long are you staying?
2 days.
Exciting.
Happy anniversary, Mum.
Do you need a drink?
Oh, you're an angel.
Well, you know angels are real, right?
I did not. Thanks, Hayley.
I slept in here sometimes. I used to stare at the photos like ancient times.
We called it the 90s, but sure.
I found it intriguing.
How is it out there?
Lovely.
I doubt that, but let's go.
I don't remember. I don't. Oh, my goodness.
Well, Charlie, I didn't realise we were dressing for dinner now. Oh, my tail's in the car.
It's just a dress. It's just a goddamn dress.
Jesus. Okay.
Can you please not say goddamn?
God gave us tongues to speak freely, Hayley.
Do I smell rabbit?
Yeah. I got a couple on the way home.
Oh, so happy when he kills. He could be a psychopath. The jury's out.
I just like shooting.
Just leave him be, kid.
How was your day, love?
Well, kid bled to death in my arms. Joey wants to die. My urine's waiting to destroy me.
James Tanner? The kid?
Yeah. Do you know him?
He was in the under-16s with Ajax. God has him now.
There are 2 reasons I brought you here. Hayley?
Yes.
No one swear.
We're streaming. Meryl?
Despite Mayor Eagle's cancellation of the flower show, I have managed, with a combination of rebudgeting, council priorities and cost savings, to save it. Surrounded by my family and with you watching, I am thrilled to announce that the flower show will have its 75th year. This is Councillor Meryl Knight and the Knight family wishing you well. Good night.
We're just here to applaud.
Just a sense of family and continuity. Now, the second item on the agenda is Hugh. Jim, shall we raise a toast to the return of our prodigal genius here?
Sure. Hugh.
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 Thanks, Dad.
I'd like to say grace.
And you may, Hayley, privately and silently.
Thank you for the food, Lord, and for Hugh and his return to his family. May he find the peace that he seeks.
Hang on, I'm not seeking any...
Don't interrupt her.
Amen.
So, Dad. Must be happy about the brewery. I mean, Matt said it basically saved the farm.
I never said that. Never.
What happened between you and Charlie here?
Hayley, take a very large mouthful of food and chew it very slowly.
Sorry, should I not... It's just that I don't
No,
have a
no,
reason...
no, it's fine, Hales. It's true. Stole her away from my brother.
I had met someone else.
In Las Vegas, right? Is that right?
Past is another country. Let's move on.
What happened to her?
We broke up after a year.
4 months.
Who knew you took an interest?
And then what? Charlie?
Well, Meryl invited me up. Matt and I hung out, and we just clicked. Like I never had with anyone before.
Matt was smart enough to grab her. Here's to, well, you two. 2 favourite people in the world together forever.
Forever.
Hayley and I are in love too.
Aww, you're the sweetest.
Oh, darling.
Oh, so then how did you and Hugh meet?
Hayley, we forgot the peas. Can you help me? Jim's found a new podcast on a grisly new murder in Tennessee. Tell them, Jim. Hayley.
Oh, yes, Meryl.
What?
Talk about me saving the farm to Dad.
Why?
Because he needs his dignity.
Maybe he needs a reality check.
I walked in on him with a gun in his mouth at the time.
Bullshit.
Convinced him I could save it. If he'd let me. I did. So, you know, he needs his dignity.
Okay. For you, though, not for him.
That'll do. And no shit about Ajax, the adopted thing. He's our brother.
You laying down the law, Matt?
Just helpful advice to aid your re-entry.
Wow. You got all the good person, didn't you? Sorry, I'm just in a mood. Dad, the kid, my career, imminent doom.
You thought it was going to be boring here.
Hmm.
You're going to try our pale ale?
All right, twist my arm.
Hey.
Hey. Hayley has a good sense of the social niceties.
Oh, she's really sweet. I didn't see you at the dam this morning.
Which means you looked.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, I'm an open book.
Girl in Vegas.
Ginny, her name was Ginny.
Yep, I know. Did you love her?
Why?
Just want to know.
Yeah, I loved her. We met and just clicked. Like I never had with anyone else.
Okay.
You thinking about it a lot?
What?
The Tanner kid.
Oh, yeah. It's weird. I've seen plenty of people die, but...
Some don't leave you. You just have to live with it.
That was a comforting talk. Thank you.
Eva, it's a sad part of the job. But I know one thing. The last face he saw was your smiling Irish face. That would have been a nice sight for a teenage boy.
I am pretty stunning, that's for sure. You're right.
He's probably totally distracted by my legs. Is it weird if I go to the funeral?
No, you should.
Thank you.
What's that?
A candle
Why?
for the tenor boy.
We're not advertise our failures.
Or you could see it as not about you, but about commemorating a life.
Get rid of it.
TikTok, got something for me?
Still got hours yet.
Whatever it is will still be in your system now or then.
Maybe it's better to deny a test. I could say you were harassing me in an attempt to see my penis.
Oh my God, did you really just say that?
3 years is a long time without any action.
Her husband died, give her a break. Although I agree, healing starts with a new path, not sitting on the old path wondering why it stopped.
Thanks, Betty.
You're welcome.
I was being sarcastic.
Not deep down. You recognise the truth of it.
Sorry,
TikTok.
Are you okay?
Not at all, but we're here to talk about you.
Well, I'm just very stressed out, agitated. I have a big flight coming up and I'm very scared to fly.
Where are you going?
New York.
Ah, half your luck. Sorry, I just can't seem to get your history to load. You've had this before?
On and off. Usually I take a Valium and just chill out, you know?
Sure do.
Thank you.
I'd like a word.
Listen, here's the thing.
What did Sally Peacock want?
Who's that?
The patient you just saw.
Oh, fear of flying gave us some Valium.
She's an addict. Been clean for a year. Didn't you look at her history?
My computer...
What are you doing?
Bad patient. Her Valium.
You got it back?
I chased her down, yes. Because that's what doctors do here. Chase people down in the middle of the street because the computers don't work. Or up a mountain to get them on a plane because you don't have an MRI machine. Or they just bleed out in the middle of nowhere. But with 452 more fates and scone sales, you just might get a machine. I can't be a great doctor here. And it makes me sick to my heart every time I have to do it badly. I actually wouldn't survive here because it's going to take more drugs, sex, and alcohol than Caligula did to distract me from it. So you know what? I'm done.
I need a good doctor. I'm starting to think you could be one. I see promise.
Oh, too arrogant.
And my other option for a doctor is a 4'5'7" sweet Bangladeshi man who speaks 11 words of English, has one hand, and turned out to be a vet. You want to walk? I can't stop you. You want a second chance? Here it is.
I kind of wish you tested it.
I know you do.
I did the big speech.
Out in a blaze of self-righteous glory.
Exactly.
You've got patience.
I hate you.
I know you do.
Can we agree to no plane?
The plane's ready. Please Instagram your progress for people following us.
No one's following us, Ken. No one.
I hear you shagged his girlfriend on your desk. You dirty bugger.
Is what?
Well, in his mind, she's his girlfriend.
It's tiny.
True. If we stall and we fall, you'll die on impact. It's almost painless, it's so fast.
That's not helpful.
You're really scared.
Fear of flying is a medical condition. An anxiety disorder, it's not cowardice.
When we were scared, me dad'd make us sing Wheels on the bus to distract us.
I'm not singing Wheels on the Bus. Thanks. Where's this patient?
There was a lot of blood. No, I didn't want to touch it. I don't like blood.
Yeah, well, I love it. Where is he? Is he conscious?
Yeah, he's just over there.
Hi there, young man. Get some gloves. What have you done to yourself?
I don't know, but whatever it is, it doesn't feel too bad.
Ah, tough country kids, I remember that. Just stay still from your... See what we have. Aoife, get some saline, clean this out for me. You feel dizzy?
Bit, yeah. A wasp came at me, so I swung at it with the chainsaw.
Huh. Overkill. Been there. Right pulses. Good and strong.
Okay, done.
It's a 4-centimetre laceration.
Oh, you barely nicked yourself. You're a bleeder, though.
I might have overreacted.
I told you I was fine.
All that blood coming from your child, of course you did.
We flew here. On a plane.
Hugh. So you really gave up being a big shot for this?
I'm a selfless type. What's with Penny? Humorless lesbian?
She's not a lesbian. Did she tell you that? She probably just doesn't want you making the moves.
Well, that's arrogant.
No, I'd say it's wisdom.
The wheels must go round and round. I really hope you're not wearing that on my account.
I don't want to fill you with regret seeing me naked again. Seems cruel.
Good point.
So you're staying, I hear?
Yeah, that's right. You know, give back to the community, that sort of thing.
Oh, Hugh, it's me. I know how much you hate it here. How you love the city. When we were at uni, I used to make you come and visit. So what's going on? I'll find out. I'm very smart, as you know. And if I decide to find out, I will.
All right, you just not tell them. Matt, fine, but not Mum and Dad.
Deal.
I fucked up.
There's the Hugh I know.
It was just an average day. Morning, save a life. I think a small hand seems appropriate. And louder. Everyone has their own way of unwinding.
Party's here.
Some exercise,
Ladies, please.
some meditate.
Champagne, champagne, champagne. Guys.
You know my motto. When you can't decide, have everything.
Party's over, sweetheart. But I'm quite happy to buy you breakfast. Hey. Oh, shit. Shit. Move. Help here! Have an OD, cocaine, tremors, heart is irregular and racing, in danger of cardiac arrest. All right, move.
Oxygen!
Is she all right?
She'll be fine. She's stabilized. Close call.
Great. Jesus, I don't even know her.
I found her and
Go
I...
home, Dr. Knight.
Thanks. I appreciate this.
Her name's Sasha, in case you were wondering.
We're very proud of our refurbished emergency rooms. Let's just move through this way.
I may have pushed things a little bit too far and not even realised it.
Well, that's your way.
Really?
Yeah. You can't see what you're doing to people and you can't face yourself.
It's a little early for character assassination, isn't it?
It's just assessment. It's friendly assessment.
Right, and you're unbiased, are you? I mean, I hurt you.
What? What did you say?
I hurt you.
Thank you. 6 years later. You never said sorry, you know that? 6 years, and I don't even care, but you never even said sorry.
You're happy, aren't you? Things worked out well for you.
Yeah, I know. But you send a postcard to your parents from Vegas with "I got married" written on it. I'm staying here and your mum comes in and shows me.
I really thought we agreed to a break when I went to Boston.
We agreed to wait.
Wait, break. Very similar words.
Oh.
It only lasted a few months. I get carried away, you know that. I can't stop myself.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? What's the name for that?
Asshole.
That's it. Good. Thank you.
Can't you go somewhere else?
Worried you're going to fall for me again?
You destroy stuff, Hugh. You're careless with people, and there's a lot I care about here.
Jesus, Charlie, I would if I could. I got nowhere else.
Oh, poor Hugh.
Hey, you know, if I hadn't sent that postcard, we'd be married.
Oh.
Kimberly!
Hi, Ken.
I've prepared some lunch for us after you've seen the doctors. I put in a good word for you with the new guy.
Oh, you're a peach. So they're great as a blood thinner for stroke victims, and they've shown great results in testing for a variety of other illnesses.
Yeah, I've used it before. Great.
So you're new around here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How are you finding it?
Dull and infuriating.
I know. I'm out on the road a month at a time. I get so bored I could tear my hair out.
Got such beautiful hair.
You can touch it if you want to.
I
try to do one beautiful thing each day.
I'm trying to reset. Not do things like I have in the past.
There's people just outside the door, so I get if you're too scared to. Give it a pull. You need to step back, Ken. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Ken, remember, pain is fleeting and makes the heart ultimately stronger.
Hey, what have we got? Stab wound in the chest, pulse is irregular, BP's low. Let's open this up for me.
Shit, it's right above his heart. Want to see how deep it is?
Jesus, your finger.
Let's stick the surface. His chest is filling up with blood. He needs a thoracotomy.
I'll get a chest tray.
3-0 proline for stitching. Got to keep pressure on this ventricle to control the bleeding. If he loses any more blood, he's going to die. Right, you're going to cut.
I'm a nurse. We don't really do that.
Well, I can't take my finger out. Look, it's not that difficult. You're going to slice a line 5 centimetres either side of my finger. Okay? Get ready with that suction to clear the blood out. Then I'll suture around 8 or so stitches. Go. Look, we're lucky. It's not that deep. Are you good? Good. Other side. Good. Open him up. Go. Suction. All right, patch. Suture. Keep it clear. Fingers coming out. There'll be pressure, okay?
Gotcha.
And coming out. Good. Keep it clear. One more. done.
Jesus, that was awesome fun. I hope someone else gets stabbed.
Yes, that's the spirit Florence Nightingale.
But it was like surgery. We did heart surgery.
No, you did surgery. I just did a few stitches and stuck my finger in a hole. It's all you, Aoife. You saved that man's life.
Look what he had in his pocket. For home? You're welcome to come. I'm a sharing type of person.
How do you know I'm not going to dob?
I know my kind when I see them. See you in?
You're exactly who I don't need right now.
Oh, I really think the opposite is true.
I'm going home.
Oh, the words say no, but the eyes say yes. I know a man who parties when I see one.
I used to have a gift for it. A gift. But I've changed.
Really? Well, good for you. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going home to 13 Smith Street to get off my beautiful face.
I'm the one you're using, please don't push me aside. We could have been cruising, yeah.
Hey, Dad, you want a beer? Had this guy come with a stab wound in his arm. Mum, you around?
Giving his life like that. Hey, did I tell you about the rapture? Well, what happens, right? So when Jesus comes back for a second time, anybody who believes will go to heaven, and everyone who is dead and buried.
What a surprise.
A man can change. Tomorrow I'll be that man.
Thank you for what you said to him about our sex life.
Completely self-serving. He's my brother. I need him.
I'm sorry about your heart. Ajax will find it.
So everyone thinks. Truth is, I may have lost my heart forever. And if it is... Anyway. You'll always have my other heart.
That was lame.
Remember when we had sex on the subway in Barcelona?
God, I was so sure we were going to get caught.
But you're so good off on that.
Okay, enough. Good night. I hope your heart still works.
Me too. Oh! Why are you all so violent?
Why would you do that? Jesus!
I'm sorry, I'm drunk, I'm an idiot. Ow!
You're so careless with people. What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
You fancy wanker. Heard you were back.
Rod Eagle, you lanky piece of gout-ridden corruption.
What?
You ugly, snout-nosed wallaby, you stinking, putrescent creep. Did I ever tell you that I banged your daughter? want to hit me, but I'm not a middle-aged woman in a scarf. Oh. So hit you empty-headed bastard. Count on. Oh, I ate your pig. You might as well keep going. One of them may actually hurt.
Hugh! Oi! Are you all right?
I guess the question is, do I want to press charges?
You all right?
Yeah, it's nothing.
What, appendicitis, hernia, endometriosis, UTI,
Okay,
Crohn's?
Dr. Google. I'm just getting my period. What are you even doing in the ladies?
Have you seen the state of the men's? No way I'm going in there.
Yeah, I've cleaned it.
Oh, you are so wasted here.
Oh! Aoife seems nice.
Good nurse.
Nurse? Don't give me that. There's something between you.
Ah, jealous.
So not. Don't do that.
Not doing anything.
You're giving me that look.
This is just how I look when I look at you.
Then you have to stop.
You stop.
Okay. I'm ending this.
I don't want to.
Kiss me.
All right, I think someone's had a little bit too much to drink.
No, you're in my head, Hugh. Only the you in my head is this fantasy idea of you, and it's got to go. Matt is real, and I love him, and I need to put him back in my head where he belongs.
By kissing me?
Yeah.
That's a really bad idea.
Just shut up and do it. It's got nothing to do with you. Good.
Very good.
There's absolutely nothing there. You're my ex. I'm free. Oh. Thank you.
Dr. Knight,
Nurse Hannon?
you're out late.
I was just driving around. Thought I'd see if I could make up for that smoke bomb.
Is this a booty call?
Is there a problem if it is?